Hi guys, I'm Jana Julius and today I'm trying to recreate a look chosen by Lucia for the document journal makeup challenge. Let's see if I'm gonna look like this in like 2 hours, I guess. I'm gonna start right away. First things first, Lucia would kill me if I have my eyebrows on. There's not too much to see right now, so I guess I'm just gonna wait for like 10 minutes and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it like all off and apply again. Is it a look or is it not? Boyfriend talk. I think I'm just gonna put on like some concealer. So I'm just gonna warn you because I got this like really nice puzzle. I'm gonna switch via eBay Kleinanzeigen. It's German. So maybe there's gonna be a person ringing my doorbell in like 20 minutes. My look is basically quite simple. All I need is like a eyeliner. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I need the mirror, I'm sorry. It's not too bad actually. I'm looking at the camera, I'm looking there, I'm looking at the mirror, it's fine. That's what I mean. That's who I am, that's my personality, really messy. It's not looking good, but it's fun, so... I told you, oh my god, I didn't think about my makeup look when I gave her the puzzle. Switch, new puzzle for the corona-free time. And back to the makeup look. I'm not gonna touch the eyeliner again, so that's a big step. Another thing I'm gonna do, mascara. Am I finished? Let me have a look here. I don't hate it, to be honest. Okay, so for now that's it. So, actually really excited I get to wear my fake fur leopard shirt backwards. Now about the hair. I think more is more. Just gonna put it in, I guess. I live in Berlin, so I mean it should be really easy for me to be like Berlin, Bergheim, blah blah. But I still look quite like Brigitte Bardot. You really don't want to smell this right now. I'm gonna walk in. That's my really easy makeup tutorial, which every average person can do in actually like 5 to 10 minutes. Took me 2.5 hours. I really tried. I put my heart, my soul, everything in it, and I hope you love it.